Welcome to Animal Kingdom, your ultimate destination for all things wild and wonderful.
Zebras are known for their distinctive black and white stripes. There are three main species of zebras: the plains zebra, the mountain zebra, and the grievous zebra. Let's move to other kingdoms. Ostriches are large flightless birds. Two living species are recognized: the common ostrich, native to large areas of sub-Saharan Africa, and the Somali ostrich, native to the Horn of Africa. Next, the wildebeest, also called gnu, are antelopes of the genus Connochetes and native to eastern and southern Africa. They belong to the family Bovidae, which includes true antelopes, cattle, goats, sheep, and other even-toed horned ungulates. Next, the gerenuk, also known as the giraffe gazelle, is a long-necked, medium-sized antelope found in parts of East Africa. The sole member of the genus Litocranius, the gerenuk was first described by the naturalist Victor Brooke in 1879. It is characterized by its long, slender neck and limbs. Now, the lions are primarily found in Africa, with a small population in the Gir forest of India. They inhabit savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. A large cat of the genus Panthera. Baboons are primates comprising the genus Papio, one of the 23 genera of Old World monkeys, in the family Cercopithecidae. The common eland, also known as the southern eland or eland antelope, is a large-sized savanna and plains antelope found in East and Southern Africa. The cheetah is a large cat and the fastest land animal, known for its slender body, distinctive spots, and incredible speed during chases, found in grasslands and savannas of Africa. It has a tawny to creamy white or pale buff fur that is marked with evenly spaced, solid black spots. It is unclear how the wildebeest know which way to go, but it is generally believed that their journey is dictated primarily by their response to the weather. They follow the rains and the growth of new grass. This improves habitat quality for other species, including birds and butterflies, making wildebeest a keystone species. This has given them safety, food, and water on their migrations. More than 1.5 million wildebeest travel together every year to escape the dangers of famine. Same as zebras migrate in search of food and water, and to avoid predators, parasites, and other hazards. Their migration patterns change from year to year, depending on seasonal rains and the availability of food and water. One of the most famous migrations, this sees around 750,000 zebras travel from the Serengeti in northern Tanzania to the Masai Mara Reserve in Kenya. Let's enjoy the breathtaking drone view and then move on to explore another amazing animal. Cheetah's eyes have elongated retinal foveas, the small, rodless areas of the retina, giving them a sharp, wide-angle view of their surroundings. Lions have several features that make their eyes unique. A lion's eyes are 3 times larger than a human's. Vultures are large, social raptors that live on every continent except Antarctica and Australia. The common dwarf mongoose is a mongoose species native to Angola, northern Namibia, KwaZulu-Natal in South Africa, Zambia, and East Africa. It is part of the genus Heligale, along with the Ethiopian dwarf mongoose. Oryx is a genus consisting of 4 large antelope species called oryxes. Their pelage is pale, with contrasting dark markings in the face and on the legs, and their long horns are almost straight. The African buffalo is a large sub-Saharan African bovine. There are 5 subspecies that are recognized as valid by most authorities. Males defend the pride's territory, marking the area with urine, roaring menacingly to warn intruders, and chasing off animals that encroach on their turf. Male lions are the leaders of their pride and are responsible for protecting the lionesses and their cubs. There can be multiple male lions in a pride who share the responsibility of leading. Let's move on in other animals. There are 5 subspecies that are recognized as valid by most authorities. Cincerus keffer, the Cape buffalo, is the nominotypical subspecies as well as the largest, found in southern and East Africa. African elephants are members of the genus Loxodonta, comprising 2 living elephant species, the African bush elephant and the smaller African forest elephant. Both are social herbivores with gray skin. Some deer species do not have horns, including Indian chevrotain, the smallest deer in India. This species has long canines in both males and females. Only adults have canines that protrude below the lip line. Muntjac or barking deer, a shy deer with small antlers and tusks. The gelada, sometimes called the bleeding heart monkey or the gelada baboon, is a species of Old World monkey found only in the Ethiopian highlands, living at elevations of 1,800 to 4,400 m above sea level. It is the only living member of the genus Therapithecus, a name derived from the Greek root words for beast ape. Geladas are the only primates that are primarily graminivores and grazers. Grass blades make up to 90% of their diet. They eat both the blades and the seeds of grasses. African elephants have gray folded skin up to 30 millimeters, 1.2 in, thick that is covered with sparse, bristled dark brown to black hair. Short tactile hair grows on the trunk, which has 2 finger-like processes at the tip, whereas Asian elephants only have 1. Their large ears help to reduce body heat. Flapping them creates air currents and exposes the ear's inner sides, where large blood vessels increase heat loss during hot weather. Both male and female African elephants have tusks that grow from deciduous teeth called tushes. Elephants are the animals with the lowest sleep times, especially African elephants. Research has found their average sleep to be only 2 hours in 24-hour cycles. Phacocheirus is a genus in the family Suidae, commonly known as warthogs. In this video, we have showed various kind of animals and discussed multiple animals and their fascinating characteristics. We'll dive into more in our next video. Stay tuned for more exciting wildlife content. If you need any more information or have specific questions, feel free to ask.
Thank you for watching this video on Animal Kingdom, Paw Prints Herb. We hope you enjoyed exploring the wild with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest adventures. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our exciting content. Stay wild, and see you in the next video.